Everyone, today I received some more Happy Post. So this is my order from So Pretty. So Rachel over there, a couple of Fridays she does some amazing Fiver Friday deals. So I actually love the colours so much that I ended up buying 5 out of the 10 bundles that she had. Sometimes she does a couple, sometimes she does 10 or more, but like I said, I thought what I'd do, open them up for you and show you everything. And as I said before, each set of 3 was £5 and it cost me £25 in total for the 5 bundles, and it was £3.85 for a delivery. So this is what just under £30 worth of faux leather and glitter material looks like. So it came in a brown paper bag, but I destroyed that getting into it this afternoon. So it came in this lovely wrapped paper, and again I sort of butchered that myself. But again, I told you before, I am absolutely terrible at working out what colours work best myself, like I said. But I love these bundles because they're done by colour. So here's the first one, and this is like a purpley toned one. So let me just get the first 3. I'll show you. So there's this one, which is this like dark purple glitter. Well, it's like this one. So like I said, it's like a silvery purple, and then we've got like this nice one, and then like a jewel tone, like. So again, I know those combinations are going to work. Like I said, it takes out the guesswork for me, and like I said, that's why I like buying bundles where I can, because like I said, I hate stressing myself out working it out if things are actually going to match up or not. Some of these are for my sister, because she was like, Kat, if you're getting one, I want some too. And she did buy me some things this week, so I thought to myself, I might be a nice sister for once. And then I got this amazing pink one. So there's that one. And then I got this gold one. Show you those 3. And this is from So Pretty. And I'll put the link in the description below so you can find it. So these are these goldy tones. Again, I got gold and red and another Christmassy colour, because I wanted some sort of the rose gold version. There we go, this is a red one for like Christmassy bows. So my sister's on a tear with her Christmas themes. Look how pretty that shiny red is. And again, all 3 of these were a £5 on the Fiver Friday deals. So, and then there's this last one. Which is this nice lilac-y purple combination. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 sheets for £25. Like I said, they normally retail anywhere between like £1.95 to about £2.50 each, depending on suppliers and where you're buying things. You can sometimes get them as low as £1.50. Rachel also does run some deals sometimes, depending on the time of year. She does about 10 sheets, and if you order 10 sheets, they automatically reduce down to £1.50 a sheet instead of the price. But like I said, again, look in the, when you go on the website, have a look in the descriptions, because like I said, she's running that deal. She'll let you know, and she'll tell you which sheets it applies to and which it doesn't, because obviously some are more expensive than others, as you can gather. But like I said, they're all so pretty. They are all amazing quality. I like these thinner leatherettes, perfect for pinch bows and things like that. I like the glitters. So yeah, there's my little unboxing from So Pretty. Thanks for watching. Bye.